It's a summer's Saturday here at Paultons Park, and of course, even though the park's been open a month, we haven't actually just taken you on the rides, get a little look around the park and things. So that's exactly what we're going to do today. We're going to start here at Velociraptor, head down, obviously get Storm Chaser done, take you on Cyclon. We might even take you for the wonderful walk as well, which I believe has now reopened. Love Paultons Park, the sun's out. We'll have to do Splash Lagoon as well, won't we? Yeah, we will. All right, I'm going to do this, and I'm going to get Splash Lagoon done early, and then we'll go and do some other rides. Of course, one of two junior boomerangs in the country. Velociraptor. Gives you a good view of what's going on over at Valgard. And indeed what's going on for 2027 as well. But it's also a great little ride. I do prefer the airtime hill on this. I think it really adds to the ride experience, this. Woo! But you get a nice little push down before heading up. And of course doing it all in reverse. And back round we go. Cool, Flight of Terror queue is quite long. I think we'll do that one a bit later. Well, there's Velociraptor. Here is Splash Lagoon, back open for 2026 with its brand new camera as well, that's right. This feels like a bad idea, especially as I've got to go back to work. Now I say it every time I come on this ride, it never feels like it's a particularly good idea, except when it's really hot, obviously. It's 11 degrees today, there was a frost this morning. So yeah, at the moment I'm quite dry. But you know, you've got to get it in. It's the first time I got on it in 2026. It's been back open a week. People are getting off. They look wet. The boat looks wet. I've already got splashes on me as well. There's a little drip coming down here that's going to go straight onto my head, isn't there? Yeah, there is. Oh my God. I don't even know why I'm worried about that. We've got the rest of the ride to come yet. The fountains are on. There's no wayward ones today though. No problems here. Oh yeah. We did say, of course, now you can get an on-ride photo for 2026. It was quite demanded. I've just got absolutely splashed by the boat that's come down. It's quite demanded, and it's now available here for purchase. So, as you can see, as you come round here, if you're really unfortunate, you will get splashed by the boat coming down. Now I think this one's going to get away with it, but I didn't get away with it. So the back is already soaking. They got away with it. It's just me, innit? And this is where you kind of regret, you say hello to the dinosaur. I don't remember him being that close actually. I'm guessing he was. No, yeah, there we go. I mean, sure. By this point it's too late. If I get them wet, it's a bonus. Oh, Jesus Christ, that was unnecessarily wet. Oh, it's dripping everywhere. Oh my God. Oh, it's gone down my back. It's gone down my back. Oh, right. Just to give you an idea here, there was absolutely nothing dry about that experience, but that's all right. We've got it out of the way early. We can go and get a spin dry on some other rides. Oh Jesus, that's cold. Oh, that was a wet experience. All the drips down my back are very, very cold, but Splash Lagoon is back open for 2026. Obviously, when the sun really comes out, it looks warm, but it is only 11 degrees. It'll be magnificent during the summer, so can't wait for that. But we've done it. It's a big tick at the start of the season as we head down now to get on some more rides. This was my most ridden ride of 2025. Like comfortably my most ridden ride of 2025, and so far it's my most ridden ride of 2026 as well. I just can't get enough of it. I really can't. 292,000. That's not too bad. We're catching the end as well of the spring daffodils. I have to say, Paultons Park always looks spectacular. Like always looks spectacular. The gardens are beautiful anyway, but when the daffodils come out, it's definitely something you want to witness. I can't actually find any signs for Beastly Burrow anymore. I don't know if it's been sort of removed, but it's not been open yet this year. It's nice to go and have a look at the reptiles and the ants and things. I find it a bit weird. I don't think it was open over Christmas either. It is a sunny March day here at Paultons Park, and why not go front row? Because we don't go front row that often, we tend to go to the back. But we thought we'll bring you up. I don't know how well I'm going to balance. I've got two smaller people behind me. So we'll see what the spin's like. Draken is testing in the background. That's been relentless in the time we've been here. Here we go. Let's hope for a good spin. I do like a good spin on this. We'll wait for it to come off. Here we go. Woohoo! Oh yeah. Oh, it hit the corner. Now, do I weigh more than the two behind me? That's going to be the question. I don't think I do. Oh, the angles are always so weird. They really are. And no, I don't. Oh, oh yeah. Oh, you can tell it's been running a few hours and it's a bit warmer today. There we go. Oh, I love it. Absolutely love it. Okay, Cyclon is loading, so it'd be rude not to go for a spin on this on such a lovely day. Doesn't seem a lot of wind today either, which is quite nice. Here we go, on board the Cyclon. Now, I think it'd be arguable at the moment this is the biggest thrill ride here at the park. At the moment. I think it goes without saying that Draken will eclipse this. That said, some people do prefer coasters over sort of the spinning sensation that Cyclon brings. So there's no guarantee for everyone that actually Draken might not be. And this is a brilliant swing. It really is. And it definitely catches people by surprise, bearing in mind, obviously, it is at Paultons Park. We've said before, but we're so glad they were considering sort of running it a bit lower that they didn't. Because you get a lovely mix of, you know, left and right, spinning, and it really gives you the high swings at the top as well. Always get good views, always get good airtime. And it gets there fairly quick too. You know, we're already having a look at it. Yeah, we're already nearly there. I can see Draken going around in the background. It's so weird to look over now, bearing in mind it's not open yet, and see Draken flying around in the background. Oh, there we are, right at the top. Do we come back down? Look at the views. It always feels windy up here. It doesn't actually feel windy on ground level. But obviously the speed you're travelling, needless to say, you can really feel it. But yeah, love the variety on this ride. You get a lot of the afterburners kind of go back to vortex and things where you might not get the spin, you might get a really duff sort of rotation all the way round, and this one really varies, where you'll be at the top, you'll be at the bottom, you'll face down like this, you'll face upwards. And quite frankly, it's just perfect in the way it rotates, it really is. And you get a good ride cycle on it as well. I know it catches a lot of people out. And it is Cody's favourite gyro swing so far in the UK. Of course, we don't know whether Evictus will change that. But this one definitely packs a punch. And I'm so pleased it's on my doorstep. Here we go, it's Sky Swinger time. Now you get a nice view into Valgard as well as we go round. Now I've come back across from the other side. I was having a look at Flight of the Pterosaur, still quite a long queue in fairness, and I'm here quite a lot, so I don't necessarily need to wait 15 minutes for it, but I thought let's go for a little swing. Lovely blue skies today. I still need to dry out a little bit, to be fair, from the Splash Lagoon, which got me absolutely soaked. And the sunshine is beautiful, it's not too bad up here in fairness. So the park's wave swinger, it's good as well. It's one of the first ones I ever saw. In fact, it might be the first one I ever saw with double seats. They're quite common now, but it was really good for Paultons to put them in. You just wonder though, as this south sits all on its own between Valgard and the Lost Kingdom, whether or not this might be in for a retheme soon. And if it was, would you like to see it as part of Vikings, or would you like to see it as dinosaur themed? Let us know in the comments. I really hope you can see Draken going in the background. That's some wonderful views of that going around today. Okay, on my way back over, I finally beat it. Now, how long for, I don't know, but it's finally beaten. A nice walk down to the Pelicans. This is the first time this year that I've seen this walkway open. They said they were doing some work down here, and you can get it from the Pelicans down by the watermill, and it goes right the way up to Critter Creek, or obviously you can start at Critter Creek and walk down here. So we're going to take a little look and just a little stroll. It is a little bit of a getaway from the theme park world. In fact, you can't see an awful lot as you come through, particularly in summer when the trees are full of leaves and everything. A little bit bare now, obviously, but it is a lovely walk and it's definitely something to do. Honestly, when you think about it, you know, Alton Towers has the beautiful gardens to walk through. Chessington sort of has a zoo. A lot of theme parks don't have anywhere you can sort of escape, and it's definitely not utilised enough, this. You know, it's a good ground to come on, a lovely little walk around the lake, and let's see what upgrades they've made for this year. It does look like the little kingfish area has been redone. It's got a new little pathway, a little bench and sign as well. There's definitely been some more planting of trees along here. But again, just look at the views. Definitely feels like we've had some more planting gone on. Of course, you can see the teacups. Now, funnily enough, they have put a video up of behind the scenes of the teacups, which is really worth a watch on Paultons Park channel as well. It's great to see the behind the rides back for this year. Now, if you are thinking about coming down here, it is gated either end, so it's not like children can come running in here and get close to the water and things. You know, it is gated. It is a scenic walk round. You see they put some benches in. Looks like they're gonna, I don't know, is that a picnic table? Looks like that might be a picnic table going in there. New benches down here as well, but it's just a beautiful escape from the rides as we kind of end our day here at Paultons Park. It's been open now for just over a month. It's the first time the sun's come out. It's the first time this has been open, and it's a wonderful way to end the day. To be fair, I'm going to go and ride Ghostly Manor again, obviously, before I leave. But I hope you've enjoyed it. Get yourself down to Paultons before Valgard opens. Enjoy the quiet times before it all goes crazy.